Hello and welcome to the official EAS 101 Discord server. Here we are. We have fun commands that can make me sick say he's gay. Or she. There. So yeah, anyway, so we have a nice welcome page here, and then here's our rules. 1. No cussing. 2. No profanity. 3. No politics. 4. Please keep your conversations to the corresponding channels. 5. Do not spam the server. 6. Do not spam ping anyone. 7. No raiding in the server. 8. If you have any problems, please direct message me. 9. If you feel hurt, sad, or upset or depressed because of a certain member, let me know. Trust me, I know how it feels. Doing so will help me keep my server safe. If you do, 10. If you feel or have been threatened by anyone in the server, let me know. Doing so will help me keep my server safe. Thank you for joining the official EAS 101 Discord server. Have fun.